dear friends, welcome to see this video. Now we are discuss about these videos are called Java inheritance. Java inheritance, very important for these concepts are Java. Inheritance means mainly used for that reusability for the coding. Reusability for the coding. There are two terms, some of the terms are used for the inheritance. Base class, another one is called derived class. The base class is also called the parent class, and the derived class is also called a child class or subclass is also called a derived class. Derived class is also called subclass. The old class is known as a base class. The derived class is known as is also called a new one. The old class is known as called parent class or base class. Okay, this now we are discuss about the inheritance. There are a lot of the types of inheritance are called single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. The four type of inheritance are available in Java. Okay, single inheritance are called only one base class. The A class is also called a base class. A is also called a base class. B is also called a derived class. The one base class is called only one base class is also called a single inheritance. The derived class B is inheriting the properties of A base class. Okay, this is for a single inheritance. Another one is called multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means more than one base class. One base class, another one intermediate base class, another one derived class. This is also called multi-level inheritance. A hierarchical inheritance are called only one base class, more than one derived class. Only one base class. A is also called base class. More than a derived class means B, C, D. More than one derived class. One base class. The more than derived class is derived with the one base class properties. Okay. Another one is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means also called more than one base class, one derived class. More than one base class, one derived class. This is also called multiple inheritance. The Java does not supporting for that multiple inheritance. Java does not supporting for that multiple inheritance. Suppose you working for that multiple inheritance, and suppose using for the multiple inheritance concept, then it's similar to working for the interface using for the multiple inheritance concept. Multiple inheritance Java interface அப்படிங்கிற கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. அதனால Java doesn't supporting for that multiple inheritance. So Java வந்து support பண்ணாது. The simple example for single inheritance. Single inheritance or simple example. Class, another one are called room. Room is also called class name. This declaring for the two variable length and breadth. Length and breadth int. This derivatives are called int. The length and breadth is two variable. Another one is called declaring for the constructor. Constructor previous video discussed about the constructor. Constructor means similar to a method and class. Method name is same as a method name and class name. Is same as method name and class name. Method name is same, class name same as is also called method name, and is also called constructor. Okay, this is also called constructor. This manually creating further objects automatically call this method. Okay, manually creating further objects automatically call this method. This is also called a constructor. Okay, this is also called a constructor. Okay, next this constructor, this declaring for the constructor, the room int x comma y, length equal to x, breadth equal to y, length equal to x and breadth equal to y, length equal to x and breadth equal to y. The x equal to assigning for the length, y is assigning for the breadth. This area is another normal method. This is also called normal method. Length star breadth, this multiplying for the length star breadth and returning for the integer value. Okay, this is for a base class. Another one class. The class bedroom is also called derived class. Bedroom is also called a derived class, and room is also called a base class. Okay, the derived class is derived. The base class properties derived from the derived class. Base class properties is derived class derived பண்ணிரும். This declaring for that variable. Another one variables are called height. Height அப்படிங்கிற variable declare பண்ணிட்டோம். This declare for the constructor int x comma into y comma into z. This using for this the inside of the derived class using a super method. This method is used to call the constructor of the base class method. This constructor of the base class derived class with the base class ஓட மெத்தட்ல இருக்கிறது இத கரெக்ட்டா அக்சஸ் பண்றதுக்கு using for the super அப்படிங்கிற மெத்தட்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணோம். super x y, this calling for the super class method. Super class or and the base class ஓட method. This int x y, this calling for this room method. Next height equal to z equal to height assign பண்ண into volume. Length star breadth star height. This for called returning multiplication for length breadth height. Okay, this main. Next goes for the main class public static void main string arguments. This creating further objects. Bedroom R1 equal to new bedroom. This is for a new bedroom. Because this is for a new bedroom, because this calling for these methods, new bedroom, 3 parameter is passing. 3 parameter is passing. This constructor main advantage of constructor is when will you creating for that objects, automatically invoke the methods. Okay, automatically invoke the methods. The bedroom object that's calling for this method, bedroom method, calling this method int x comma int y comma z. 14, 12, 10. 14 is assigned for that x, 12 is assigned for that y, and z is assigned for that 10. Okay, this super x comma y, that's calling for the previous base class constructor called for here. Next this calling for this method, this assigning for the variable area 1 equal to r dot r1 dot area. That's calling for this method. R1 dot area means length dot width. 14 star 12. This multiply by 14 dot 12 or 10 star 12. Suppose 10 star 12 means that's 120. Storing for that 120. Another one circle, another one methods are calling for the volume. Volume method calling the length breadth. Already storing for the length breadth value is 120 into 10. 120 into 10 is equal to 1200. The display values are 120 into 1200. This is a single inheritance. This is an example for the single inheritance. Okay, thank you.